Today we are going to assemble a wind direction sensor, mount it and read the output. Here is the main mounting plate. Here is the main sensor unit. This is the wind vane. This is a U-bolt clamp to mount this, and this is the Allen key to fix the wind vane. So now let us first take the plate. We are going to mount the main sensor unit on this. Take the wire from here. So once you mount this like this, there are screws supplied with this. You take the screws, so generally you have to tighten these screws properly so that it doesn't come out. I have right now just tighten them a bit for the testing setup. So now the sensor is ready on the mounting plate. Now we have to mount the wind vane on the top of this. So how we do that? So the sensor contains 3 wires over here. One is blue, other is brown, and the third is black. Now the brown and black wire are for the input supply. I'm going to connect input supply on this and power the sensor, and this is the wire from where we can read the output. The black wire is common for input as well as the output. Now I'm going to connect 12 volt power supply on the sensor input. You can see I'm connecting the main 12 volt on the brown wire. I'm connecting the black wire with the input ground. I'm right now going to leave them like this and tape it a bit. As of now for the testing setup, I'm only taping the input 12 volt, the red wire, as we are going to measure the output across these 2 wires. Now I'm going to power this sensor using an adapter, and now I'm going to connect multimeter on these 2 wires. I have a multimeter setup ready over here. We are going to connect the output on the red. I'm taping it a bit. And the common black. I'm also going to tape this a bit. You can see as soon as I'm completing the connections, you can see there is an output on the multimeter. So now the connections are complete for testing. So I have provided 12 volts on the brown and black, and I'm reading the output of the sensor on blue and black. So I'm leaving these wires a bit side now, and we are going to continue further completing the setup. So now we are going to mount the wind vane on the sensor. So you can see that as soon as we have powered up the sensor and we have connected the multimeter, it is giving us some reading, which is right now 3.23. This means some degree of direction. So now we need to mount the wind vane in a way that when we mount this, we have to mount it in a way that this needs to point towards north. You can see there is a north marking over here, and whenever it is pointing towards the north, the sensor should read 0. So now what you will do is you need to slightly move the sensor like this. We have brought the sensor at a point where it is giving us a 0 value. We have to simply mount this vane on the top of it, and you need to tighten it a bit so that it can stick on that. Do not over tighten using the Allen key. You can see when we tighten it a bit, there is a screw going inside. So now I'm opening it, and now we're going to tighten this a bit. So you can see when the sensor is pointing towards north, the sensor is giving a value of 0. Now when we are leaving the sensor like this, it's pointing towards north and giving us a 0 value. 0 means 0 degree. So now we will assume that whenever it gives us a 0 output, it is pointing towards north. Now we'll move it a bit. So this is sensor with a 0 to 5 volt output. On the halfway, when it is giving us a reading of 2.5 volt, I'll assume that it is on the south side. So the mounting of the wind vane is now complete. Now we are going to mount the main unit. While mounting the sensor, make sure the sensor is the highest object for 15 meter in all the directions, and it's at least mounted 2 meter above all the obstructions like trees, buildings, etc. So for mounting the main unit, what you need to do is you need to first identify where north is lying on your side. So whichever place you are going to mount the sensor, you need to check the north. For that, we are going to use a compass and find out where is north lying on at our side. You can use any application from your app store. We have downloaded this application, so you can see. Now when I am holding my mobile like this, it's showing me that the north is lying on this side. For the testing setup, I am mounting the sensor on this pole. You can see the north is lying on this side. Now what I will do is, I'll take my sensor, I'll hold the sensor in a way that this point should point towards north. You should match with the actual north as we have seen in the. Now take the U-bolt clamp and pass the U-bolt clamp from these two holes. Once you inserted the U-bolt clamp, you can tighten the screws like this. Now we'll verify if we have mounted the sensor on the right north. So now we can see that we have mounted the sensor on true north. So once you have completed the mounting, you can verify that you have installed the sensor in a way that it is pointing towards the actual north.